Welcome to the lesson number 5 of the Omron Sysmac Studio. In the lesson number 4, we have learned how we can hold on a coil using its own normal open contact. In today's session, we will learn how we can set on this output coil and how we can reset or turn off this output coil. To do this, first of all, we will delete this NO contact and entry contact of this X01. Now we want our output to set on with the one input pulse coming from this input X00. To do this, we'll simply click here and right click and select this set instruction. Whenever we press this push button X0, it will set on this output Y0 and it will remain on even if we turn off this push button. Now to reset this output, we will insert another network. We'll insert an NO contact of X01 push button and we'll insert here an output contact. Right click and convert it to a reset instruction. And we can assign Y00 same output. Now our X00 input will be used to set on this output and X01 input will be used to reset. Let's go online and download this program into the PLC. Now let's see, as soon as we turn on this input X00, our output latch is on and it is now set on and it will remain on even if we turn off this output X00. Now let's trigger this input X01 and try to reset this output. As you can see that as soon as we triggered the X01 input, it will energize this reset command and it will turn off our output Y0. So that's the end of the today's session. That's how we can set and reset the outputs. See you guys in the lesson number 6.